Bedbugs in your camper, Part 3, Treatment Options. Will bedbugs eventually die out in my RV? Bedbugs can sometimes live over a year without a blood meal, so it is unlikely that you will be able to starve them out unless you don't use your RV for at least 18 months. Can I conduct a heat treatment while on a trip? Yes, heat treatment can be conducted in your motorhome with only a small amount of downtime during your vacation or trip. It may require help from a professional, as motorhomes do not have enough power to operate heat treatment equipment. Can I conduct a heat treatment while my camper is in storage? Yes, an electric heat treatment can be done as long as there is sufficient electricity available at the storage location, either on-site power or a generator. Alternative natural heat treatment. A hot summer day may be all that is needed to eradicate a bedbug problem. Without fresh air circulation, the inside of an RV can become extremely and dangerously hot. The temperature can be hot enough to be lethal to adult bedbugs. Much research would be needed. If you would like more information about our bedbug heaters or bedbug sprays, contact us today at prevsol.com or 844-364-3281.